Hello everyone, welcome back to Developers and Coders Club NIT Agartala YouTube channel. Today we are here to discuss CodeTON Round 5 Division 1 plus Division 2 first problem Tenzing and Tsondu. Let's take a look at the problem statement. Tsondu and Tenzing are playing a card game. Tsondu has n monster with ability values a1 to an, while Tenzing has m monster while ability value b1 to b1. So it looks like Tenzing has m monsters and Tsondu has n monsters. Ability values are b1 to bm and here a1 to an. Next, Tsondu and Tenzing take turns making move, with Tsondu going first. In each move, the current player chooses two monsters, one on their side and one on the other side. Then these monsters will fight each other. Suppose the ability values for the chosen monsters are x and y respectively. Then the ability values of the monster will become x minus y and y minus x respectively. If the ability value of any monster is smaller than or equal to 0, the monster dies. The game ends when at least one player has no monster left alive. The winner is the player with at least one monster left alive. If both players have no monster left alive, the game ends in a draw. Find the result of the game when both players play optimally. Let's see how the input looks like. So first, T is the test cases. Here 6 is the number of test cases. Then N and M are number of monsters by Tsondu and Tenzing. A1 to AN ability values of Tsondu's monster and B1 to BM ability values of Tenzing monster. Okay. So if Tsondu wins, will give an output as Tsondu. If Tenzing wins, will give an output as Tenzing. Otherwise, draw. So here the first example is 1 1 9. Example is 1 and 9. So here this n is equals to 1 and m is equals to 3. And first array 9 and the second 1 2 3. So first 9 monster will fight. So then after the fight, the ability will become x minus y. So 9 minus 1 is equals to 8 and 1 minus 9 is equals to minus 8. Then the 2 will remain same and 3 will remain same. So as it is in less than 0, minus 8, so the monster will die. Okay. So next, again when the fight occurs between the 8th one and the second monster having ability as 2, then 8 minus 2 will become 6, minus 8 will die, so let's keep it as 0, and the next will be minus 6. Again minus 6 less than 0, so monster will die. Next, in third turn, in the fight between the ability with 6 and ability with 3, the final ability will become 6 minus 3 is 3, 0, 0 and minus 3. So again this monster will die and only this 3, that is here Tsondu will win. So the output is Tsondu. So similarly, in the second example, here is the draw. So what I basically observe here is, if I calculate the sum of the first array of Tsondu's monster's ability and Tenzing ability, if both are equal, then there will be a draw. If Tenzing monster's ability are more, the sum is more, then the output the winner will be Tenzing. And if Tsondu's ability is more, sum of ability is more, then Tsondu will be the winner. So here, so let's see how the code looks like. So first we'll take the input of the test cases, input of m and n. Okay, here I have two arrays, array 1 and array 2, and a counter, two counters, sum1 and sum2. So this sum1 will count all the sum of the input of the first array, and sum2 will count all the input of the second array. So if sum1 is greater than sum2, we'll simply output Tsondu as its ability is more, and if sum2 is greater, we'll keep the output as Tenzing as his ability is more, and if the sum is equal, then there will be a drop. Thank you.